What's up, guys? So today we're going to be working on the blue car. Still waiting on an engine for it, but we can start the body work, so let's get into it. What happened on the wing was the previous owner tried to cover up some paint defects by spraying some mismatched paint, so we had to sand that off, and we're laying some new paint on. And then the bumper, we had a crack right here in the bumper that we filled with glue on the back, and then we bonded the bump, sanded and everything, and now we're painting it. I kind of forgot to film the process, but I'll try and throw up some pictures of it. Alright guys, so we got all the paint sprayed. I also have this headlight that I've sanded down, and we're going to be spraying clear over to refinish it. And the clear that we're going to be using today is this, it's this pretty high quality clear coat. If you take the bottom off here, well, first you shake it, which I've already done. You put the bottom on right there, and then you push it against the ground and you'll hear a click. And that releases a hardener into this. So now I have about 24 hours to use this can of paint. But first I gotta shake it up, and then we'll spray clear on these parts. All right guys, we shook up the paint and we're ready to lay some clear. Alright guys, so we just got this stuff all clear coated, and boy am I happy with how it turned out. You can tell that clear laid on really well. It looks super glossy, super good. Over here on the bumper, I gotta say it laid on even better. You can just tell how smooth that looks. But best of all, I'm really happy with how this headlight turned out. I'm really happy with these results, so we're gonna let this dry and then we'll get it installed on the car. As you can see, we installed the wing. Right now we are buffing the rear of the car. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'll show you what we're doing. All right guys, so as you can see, I already started buffing. I've done the top of the wing and then I've done this lower section. But here, let me just wipe off the some of that like fuzz from the wheel. Show you. So that is the top of the wing. It's pretty freaking glossy. I'm pretty happy with that. And then here is the bottom of the wing. It's also looking pretty nice. So pretty much right now I'm gonna just buff the whole rear of the car because there's this right here also needs to get buffed out. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looks like right now. And then I'll keep you guys updated as I do more. All right guys, so as you can see, I just finished buffing out the car. The paint looks really nice. It has a really nice shine all over. We did the trunk, we did the wing, we did the bumper. It all looks really good. So now the next step is going to be just ceramic coating all the work, just to preserve all the buffing and polishing that we did. But yeah, I'm really happy with these results. Now the ceramic coat. All right, guys, this is just kind of to show you how we do the ceramic coat. So lift up the trunk. So we got our rag. We're just gonna smear it like so. Just making sure it's nice and even, kind of thick, because that's how it actually is gonna adhere to the paint chemically and whatnot. So as you can see, it's on there. We'll let it sit for about 5 minutes and then we'll wipe it off. Guys, so the whole car, or the whole rear, is now ceramic coated, and that's the final result. I'll throw up a couple before and after pictures side by side just so you guys can kind of see the results, but it looks really good, and I'm excited to do the rest of the car, and hopefully tomorrow is the day we get the short block in, so we can start that video series. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.